Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an easy and healthy energy laddu recipe. No added sugar, jaggery, ghee or oil. Super healthy, tasty and easy to make. So let's get started with the recipe. To make oil and sugar free quick energy laddus, into a kadai I'm adding in half cup of fresh grated coconut. I'm lightly roasting the coconut. I'm using fresh grated coconut. This is a very quick and easy instant energy laddu. There is no added sugar, ghee or oil in this recipe. Very healthy, very simple and easy to make. And once the coconut starts to turn light golden brown, remove to a plate. Wipe off the kadai with a napkin. We don't want the residue coconut. Into this add in 1/4 cup cashew nuts and lightly roast the cashew nuts. And once the cashew nuts are lightly roasted, remove it to a plate. Next add in 1/4 cup almonds and lightly roast the almonds. And once the almonds are roasted and starts to crack, remove it to the plate. So I have lightly roasted coconut, cashew nut and almonds. Into my dry blender jar, I am adding in the roasted ingredients. One teaspoon cinnamon powder, and I'm going to pulse this a couple of times. Pulsed it only 2 times, and as you can see it is coarsely blended except for a few cashew nuts and almonds. Into this I'm adding in 1 cup of de-seeded soft medjool dates. Note that I'm using soft medjool dates. That is 1 cup of soft medjool dates. No jaggery, no refined sugar, no oil needed in this recipe. Super healthy, tasty and a quick energy snack for the whole family. Again pulse it a couple of times. Then just take it and toast it like this. And again pulse. Again take and just toast it like this. And pulse again. And you can see that it is coarsely ground. So this is what I am looking for. A few cashew nut pieces here and there is okay. This has come out perfect, and now I'm just going to roll into laddus. And you can see it has rolled into a smooth and soft laddu. The laddu is smooth and shiny. I have not used any desi ghee or any oil. No sugar, no jaggery as well. Transfer this to a plate. Take small bite-sized portions and roll into laddus. I have not greased my hand with the desi ghee or oil, and you can see how smooth the laddu is. And my healthy oil and sugar free energy laddus are ready. You will get 16 laddus with this recipe. So guys, do try these healthy laddus and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.